demo to be mini plushie. Please like the videos before I start. Okay guys, I'm so excited to do this. Let's start. First we gonna type a Harley base. You will see too. I picked the second one. Okay, here you go. Next we gonna type Headman. Click the first one. I already have. Now go to customize. Actually, only wear nothing. Just follow what I do. And then you need to costume your shirt. I'm be a bacon. Let's play. I play Brookhaven. I'm join my friend.